I
Yeah?
smashed the big bad wolf.
You smashed the big bad wolf?
Mm-hmm.
Can you smash him again? I want to see you do it.
Okay. Let's try this other one.
What's that?
I'll do a big one. Hey, you see wolf? Say wolf.
Wolf! I see the wolf.
Okay.
Smash him. I see him. Smash him, Claire. Get him.
I smashed him.
You smashed the wolf?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we're safe now?
Yeah. Now, yeah. There's more big bad wolf in my path.
What's that?
We have massive big bad wolf in my path.
Okay. Wow. You smashing that wolf, huh? There's a lot of wolves around here.
I smashed some.
Good. Can I have a high five?
Okay, yeah.
Woo!
It's your turn. What's the foxes?
Oh, there's foxes now?
Yeah.
Oh.
We had to smash them.
Why?
But they mean.
They're mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
We had to smash them.
All right, well, we'll smash the foxes now. Bye.